some people get rid of them and other people use them. And I think, a lot of these things, there's not a one-size-fits-all alternative. And the work I do is really about trying to adjust to who's in front of me. And so sometimes in any kind of class, there'll be 6 different possibilities or instructions or offers made by me for the same thing. So, in terms of nerves, there are some of us, I use my nerves. I love the nerves. They tell me I care. For some people, yes, there are techniques that can really help to quieten the nerves. But if you have them and feel that they can't be got rid of, then they can really become a good friend. But it's very individual.